Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with my friend Allie here on YouTube. Her channel is really similar to mine. She does a lot of cleaning videos just like mine. And we are actually kicking off the new year with a new series. We are starting off with a closet declutter. So if you want to see what we declutter today, then keep on watching. Okay, so here is my closet. I am not somebody that has a ton of clothes because I'm not like into fashion or anything. So I'm just gonna go through and declutter some of this stuff and hopefully get rid of a lot of stuff that I haven't wore all year long. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's just kind of an overview of everything that was in my closet. I ended up finding a few more things on the floor that I have in a pile just over there. So I'm just gonna start going through these one by one and figuring out what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. I no longer work for this company. This is just a scrub jacket. So I am going to get rid of that. This shirt is just a black long sleeve that I have not worn in, I couldn't even tell you when, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I have this cardigan that I actually do like, and I kind of want to get some more use out of it. I need to get something that goes with it, so I'm gonna keep this. This shirt is too short. It's just has that, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This is just an ugly Christmas sweater, and it's actually cute, but I've already worn it 2 years in a row, so I'm not gonna wear it anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This is my Goo Goo Doll shirt that I am going to keep. This was a maternity shirt that I wore with Brystal. It's cute, but I'm probably not gonna wear it anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh, these are some capris that I haven't worn in God knows how long. Gonna get rid of that. I have this It Work shirt that I'm probably never gonna wear again, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This shirt I actually forgot that I had, so it just says on Thursdays we watch Grace, so I am gonna keep this. This sweater from a company that I used to work for, gonna get rid of it because I obviously don't need to be wearing it anymore. This is just a t-shirt. It's Make a Change. I don't think I've ever worn it, so I am gonna get rid of it. This is another It Work shirt that I'm never gonna wear again, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This, I can't remember if I've worn this or not, but I am gonna keep it because it does go with some of my dress clothes. It's just a black scrub top. It's very faded. I've had it for probably 3 years, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This I Love Coffee nightgown, I actually am gonna keep it. I forgot that I had it, so I'm gonna keep it and get some more use out of it, but I'm gonna put it in a different drawer. This shirt, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it just because when I did wear it, I wore it a lot. And then I have just this black shirt that's good to have, so I'm gonna keep it. Once again, another shirt that I got from a company that I no longer work for. I'm gonna get rid of that. I have this long sleeve red shirt that I have never worn. I got it given to me for my grandma, and I just don't really like it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This, I don't remember if I've worn this or not, but it's cute, so I kind of want to get some more use out of it, and it would be cute to wear in the summertime, so I am gonna keep it. I have just this white shirt that I used to clean in that I am gonna keep. And then I have scrub top that I obviously need to keep. I've been working in the medical field for about 4 years now, so I feel like I have a ton of scrub stuff. I do have this t-shirt that I'm sure that you see me wear when I clean, so I'm going to keep it. I have these scrub pants that obviously I need to keep. This shirt, I'm sure that you see me wear it in videos as well. This sweater is my new Christmas sweater this year. It's the Friends Phoebe's song. So I haven't even got to wear it yet, but I am going to keep it. And then I have this Friends t-shirt that I got for Christmas this year that I'm going to keep. I don't know how much I'm going to wear out of it, but then I have this black long sleeve shirt that I love that I'm going to keep. And then I have another room here. I have the scrub top that obviously I need to keep. I have kind of a dressier black t-shirt that I'm going to keep. And I have this one as well. This is a black dressier t-shirt. And then I have this t-shirt that I wear when I clean. I'm sure that you've seen me wear it. I'm going to keep that. This shirt, actually, I'm going to get rid of because every time I wear it, it gets shorter and shorter. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then this shirt was sent to me by mistake. It just says Groom's Mom, which obviously is going to be a while before that happens. I'm going to get rid of that. Moving on to pants. I have these dressy pants that I am going to keep. I have these kind of jogging pants that I do want to keep. They're super soft. I got them at Gordman's. And then I have these sweatpants that I actually really do not like. So I'm going to get rid of them. They just sit really funny on me. And Lord knows when you're in sweatpants, you want to be comfortable. Let's see. I have these Dance Skin Now sweatpants that I want to get rid of because they are too short. I actually prefer the Spalding pants. So I'm going to get rid of my Dance Skin Now ones. Here's another. Yep. Here's another Dance Skin. Oh, goodness. Okay, and then I have these jeans, which honestly, I haven't worn jeans since before Brystal, and I just don't have any interest in wearing jeans that I'm not comfortable in, so I'm just going to get rid of them. I'm just going to do that now. Oh, and I guess I have another pair of Dance Skin Now. Yep, that I'm going to get rid of. Okay, so I have these scarves. Honestly, I'm probably only going to keep these two. This one's like a rose. I like wearing this to work. And then here's this kind of blue periwinkle one that I'm going to keep. So I'm going to take those off and take these off so that I can get rid of them. So this is going to go in my get rid of pile. Oh, where did that go? Okay. And then I have this one that I absolutely love. It's very, very thick and comfy, so I am definitely going to keep that one. But I'm just going to add these to this hanger just to save some space, because I literally only wear them if I'm dressing up or having to dress up for work. So I'm going to put these on here, put them back in my closet. Okay, so finally, I actually found these in the bottom of my other closet, which I'll show you in a second. But I've had these jeans for forever, and I've not worn them in probably, well, I wore them for my engagement pictures, which was over 3 years ago. So they're going to be getting rid of. And also these, I haven't been able to fit in these since probably Liam. So I'm going to get rid of them. Let's see. This scrub shirt I don't need. And then I have these scrub pants that I'm pretty sure are broken or they've ripped or something. Where's my safety pin? Yep, they ripped. So I need to just throw these in the trash. And then I have this black long sleeve shirt that I just need to put on a hanger. Okay, so this pile here is clothes that I keep in my drawer. I do have one pair of shorts that I am going to keep. I have these flannel sleep pants that I'm going to get rid of. I have this nightgown that I probably need to wear more, so I am going to keep that. And then I have all these tank tops that I wear under my scrubs, so obviously I'm going to keep those. I have these pair of maternity leggings that I'm actually going to give to my sister because she's pregnant, so I'm going to let her have those. And then my swimsuit I'm obviously going to keep. I have this pair of sleep shorts that I'm going to keep, and another nightgown that I'm going to keep, and then I have just like my robe that I'm going to keep, and then I have this dressier cardigan that I'm actually going to move to my closet. Just need to hang that up. So yeah, let me put these back. So this is everything that I'm getting rid of. I'm going to post what I can on the Facebook yard sale site, and then I'm just going to either throw away or donate what doesn't sell very soon. So let me show you how I'm going to organize my closet now. So I did forget to show my dresses, but I am going to keep all of them. I just wanted to show you. I got this dress on Amazon, and it's a little bit big, but I am going to keep it because I can still make it work. And it's good to have just if I need to wear something to work. And then I have this one I got from Walmart. It's really cute. I love wearing it when I can dress up for work. So I'm going to keep that. And then, of course, my wedding dress I'm keeping. I really need to get that in a bag so I can preserve it. But it's on my list. And then I have this green dress that I'm going to keep. I got this from Ross, I think. And I have this black little knee dress that I'm going to keep as well. Once again, a little black dress is good to have. So I have all my clothes that I wear all the time just on this side, and then my pants are down there, and then I also have Brystal's clothes in here because her closet is a disaster. That's a whole nother issue. And then in this closet over here, I just basically put all of the clothes that are for dress over here. And then I have some of Liam's coats over there. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Allie's channel. I will have it linked down below. And stay tuned for more of our declutter series. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Happy New Year, guys.